coming to Te Ahu o Te Reo Māori has inspired me on how I can share the local legends to the tamariki Māori, particularly for our tamariki Māori that whakapapa to these legends. It's really important for them to learn about these legends. So for me was, how can I pass this learning on? So I created these stone stories. What we are finding with the stone stories, the children are telling these stories. But I think more importantly is that the children are gaining a connection to their whakapapa, to their ancestors. So so what I do with the stones, I actually write to help me, and with kaiko as well, with the pronunciation, all the words. So this is Matua Hautere, and then there's Matua Hautere's waka, Te Hoeri. And on his journey, he actually went to a cave, and there was these mystical beings, and they are in the resemblance of ihi, dolphins. And so this dolphin, female dolphin here, is Kaia Kaiawaro. And so what she did in the story, she helped Matua Hautere make his way through the channel, the Pelorus sounds, and then they came to a place called Motuweka, which is Havelock, and at Motuweka there's it's quite sandy, and so what Kai Kaiawaro did is that she carved through the land through there and created, or not created as such, but provided a pathway for Matua to paddle his waka up to the bottom of Mangatapu, the mountain. So when telling the story too, we talk to the children about the place names that Matua Hautere named on his way.